Lesson 6.4, practice with E in natural log level 2. These are going to be condensing and expanding, and these are the properties. So we've kind of already talked about this. When you have a number times a log or a natural log, that power or that multiplication becomes a power. And then likewise, you can expand and take a power and make it multiplication. And then if you have two logs getting added, you put them together with multiplication. And if you have two getting subtracted, you put them together with division. And so these rules go along with exponent rules. Like if we had multiplication of exponents, really we add the powers. This would be x to the fifth. If we had division of exponents, we really subtract the powers. So division, subtraction, multiplication, addition, and then our power rule states that we multiply the powers. So an exponent and multiplication go together. So in number 1, we want to express as a single log in simplest form without a negative exponents. And so what we're trying to do is not have two different natural logs with subtraction between them, but have a natural log of just something. So my first goal is to get rid of my 1/4 and my 1/2. And so what that is saying natural log of 16 to the 1/4 power minus natural log of 25 to the 1/2 power. 1/4 means fourth root of 16, which is 2. This is square root of 25, which is 5. Then since we have subtraction, I'm going to make one natural log, but I'm going to have division of the 2 over 5. So now it becomes one single log. All right, number 2. This has a -1 in front. It's a power now, so it'd be natural log of 3 to the -1st plus natural log of 5. 3 to the -1st, when you have negative exponents, it flips the numbers. So now that's really 1/3 plus natural log of 5. Now that I'm down to just addition, addition gets combined with multiplication. So I have one single log with 1/3 times 5, which would be natural log of 5/3. Okay, and then number 3, you're going to take the 1/4, and that means 81 to the 1/4 power. The fourth root of 81 is 3, because 3 squared is 9. That 9 squared is 81. So let's see, natural log of 3 plus 1. Here's the problem though, this 1 does not get added to the 3 because it's just separate from the natural log of 3. This is some kind of value. So we have to make something with natural log that would make 1. And hopefully remember from the last lesson that when we have natural log of e, this actually cancels out and makes 1, because it's saying e to what power makes e? 1. So natural log of 3 plus natural log of e. Now we can put them together into a single log with multiplication would be 3e. And then number 4 is very similar. We got natural log of 2 just plus a regular 3. Again, I can't add 2 and 3, but what I can do is somehow change this into a natural log of e to the 3rd power. So this is saying e to what power makes e to the 3rd? That would just be 3. So they're equivalent. And then I could put them together and say natural log of 2 times e cubed. So every constant number becomes a natural log of e to whatever power that number is. Okay, now expanding is just going the opposite way. And I like these because they actually give you substitutions, so we'll find an actual value here in a minute. Or actually not a value, we're just putting it in terms of a, b, and c. This one I want to first start by separating the division into a subtraction problem. So I have natural log of the cube root of 3 minus the natural log of 2. And then I want to write this as an exponent. 3 under a cube root is 3 to the 1/3 power minus natural log of 2. I want to take this power and then move it into the front as multiplication. So it's 1/3 times natural log of 3 minus natural log of 2. And if you look up here, it'll tell us what things equal. Natural log of 3 is going to now be b. So it'd be 1/3 times b minus natural log of 2 is a. And of course, you could put 1/3 AB. right, number 6, very similar to that. We got division, so we're going to split it with subtraction. Natural log of 8 minus natural log of square root of 5 is really 5 to the 1/2 power. So I've got natural log of 8 minus, bring the power in front, 1/2 natural log of 5. I see natural log of 5 up there, but I do not see 8. But how could I use 2 or 3 or 5 to a power to make 8? It'd be natural log of 2 cubed makes 8. So then that would really be 3 times natural log of 2 minus 1/2 natural log of 5, and then replace. So natural log of 2 was A, so it'd be 3A minus 1/2, and natural log of 5 was C. 3A minus 1/2 C. Okay, number 7, we have 2 times E. When we have multiplication, we want to split into 2 logs with addition. So natural log of 2 plus natural log of E. Natural log of 2 is up there, that's A. Natural log of E, we've been learning that this is simply 1. So A plus 1. And number 8, this is natural log of 5 times 3 to the 1/4 power. Split it and have natural log of 5 plus natural log of 3 to the 1/4 power. Take your power, move it in front. Replace your natural log of 5 with C plus 1/4 B.